Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I am Chef Christy, and what I want to show you today is seriously one of my all-time favorite side dishes that would be perfect for your Easter meal. I love sharing these Easter recipes with you this week, so I hope that you consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell because I'm uploading videos each week. And also, share these videos with your friends and help me to grow this channel. This is a delicious recipe, so let's get started. Okay, to a hot skillet, I'm adding, it's 2 slices of bacon that I've diced up, and I'm just gonna let this brown. Okay, so my bacon is just about completely crisp, and so then I'm gonna add some diced red onion just directly to my skillet. And 1 clove of garlic. I'm using my garlic press. So I'm going to let these onions soften just a bit. Okay, now I have my Brussels sprouts that I have cut the ends off and split them in half, and I will show you how I did that. Okay, so all I'm doing is cutting the ends off, and then I'm just slicing them in half. So I'm just going to dump them directly into the pan. And this is where we're going to need to salt and pepper. And just sprinkle some salt and sprinkle some pepper. And then I'm going to add chicken broth. So I'm just going to add that. I'm going to cover this and let this cook for just a little bit until the Brussels sprouts become tender. Okay, so I'm going to remove my lid and I'm going to add some frozen corn. Now that may sound strange, a combination, but I'm telling you this is delicious. So I'm going to just stir all that around. And then I have a little bit of heavy cream, and a little bit goes a long way with heavy cream. You just need enough to just give it a nice creamy flavor. And then here's the trick. It's some grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to sprinkle this in slowly so that it doesn't clump. Just sprinkle it in, and then we're just going to leave this uncovered and let this come to a boil until it gets a little thick. Now look at that. Isn't that just beautiful already with the vibrant green and the yellow corn? And it is delicious. Okay, so now I'm just going to transfer these Brussels sprouts to a nice serving dish. Ooh-wee, they are good. Okay, my Brussels sprouts and corn medley is done. And it is delicious, and I really hope that you give this a try. It would be so good with your Easter meal. And as always, I have had a good time cooking for you today, sharing with you these Easter recipes. So I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you consider to subscribe. So have a great day and happy Easter. Of course, I've got to try it. So I hate to take a fork into this, but you know, we have to sample and see if this is any good. You have got to give this a try.